Hey guys, Max here from Sportbike and today we're going to put the new Driven Halo gas cap and base that my mom got me for Christmas on my Yamaha R3. Alright guys, so if you haven't seen this yet, you guys might be wondering why I got a new one of these even though I have one right here in perfect condition. Well, my mom's really never at the track with me. She's always busy with my, sister dance things or some errands over the weekend, so she just wants me to remember her even though she's not there. Alright, so first of all, we're gonna start off by taking the old gas cap and base off. So here we go. Alright, so now we're going to put the new gas cap in that my mom got me for Christmas. So here we go. Now it's time to put the cap in. Bang, just like that.